Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being Scarecrow. I don't know about you guys, but scarecrows really don't scare me all that much. Ah! So with this piece, I wanted to add my last little bit of Halloween cheer that I have and make this pumpkin-themed scarecrow. I thought the idea of having a scarecrow with a crow sitting on his shoulder would be a pretty cool concept. I did this piece in the same way I did the fox one and drew out an outline of where I wanted the scarecrow to go, and then I slowly added on clay into those areas. I wasn't super worried about doing everything perfect and where I placed the clay, I just wanted to get it on the board and get it close. I knew I could just cut away and scrape off the areas that I didn't want the clay in. But I'm going to go check on my pumpkin field and make sure that my scarecrow is working, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word scarecrow. Now I think this turned out pretty cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure, they're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!